Acura's true touchpad interface is an ergonomic, cutting-edge, and intuitive way to interact with in-vehicle technology. The display is positioned higher on the dash, making it within the driver's line of sight. This system uses absolute positioning, meaning every spot on the touchpad corresponds to a location on the screen. When your finger slides to the top left corner of the touchpad, the selection display highlights the top left corner of the screen. When your finger moves down, so does the selection point. After highlighting the desired menu option, click on the touchpad to make the selection. You can also swipe horizontally between screens, flick vertically to quickly scroll through lists, and you can even enter characters using digital handwriting. You'll notice that the touchpad is split into two distinct areas, what we call the A zone and the B zone. The larger area works with the larger section of the display screen, also known as the A screen, while the smaller area works with the card information displayed in the right-hand B screen. You can also swap content from the B screen to the larger A screen by clicking on the bottom corner of the smaller area of the touchpad. Just above the touchpad, you'll also find a back button that will navigate one level backward in menus. The Home button takes you back to the main screen, and the Card button allows you to choose between available cards for the B screen, such as current audio, navigation, and clock. Just to the right of the touchpad is a physical volume control knob for the audio system. You can also press down on this button to turn the audio system on or off altogether. And finally, below this are physical forward and backward buttons. These can not only be used to switch between songs streaming over Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, but also navigate between radio stations as well.